The sleepy owl. Ollie the owl loved to stay up late. He would hoot and fly through the night sky, watching over the forest. But one morning, Ollie felt extra sleepy. His animal friends tried to wake him up to play, but Ollie just yawned. The next night, Ollie learned he couldn't play if he didn't rest properly. So he decided to take naps during the day to be ready for nighttime adventures. Ollie realized that rest is important to enjoy every part of the day, or night. The little baker. Sarah loved watching her mom bake cookies. One day, Sarah decided to try it herself. With her mom's help, she mixed flour, sugar, and butter. She added chocolate chips and shaped the dough into little circles. After baking, the cookies smelled delicious. Sarah was so proud of her work and shared them with her family. Everyone loved the cookies, and Sarah felt like a real baker. She learned that with a little effort and patience, she could create something special to share with others. The bike ride adventure. Jake had just learned to ride his bike without training wheels. One sunny day, he and his dad went on a bike ride through the park. They rode past trees, flowers, and even a little stream. Jake felt the wind on his face and smiled the whole time. Suddenly, Jake's bike hit a rock, and he almost fell, but his dad was right there to help him. Jake got back on his bike and kept going. He learned that even if things get bumpy, it's important to keep trying. The moon's visit. One night, Emily couldn't sleep. She looked out of her window and saw the moon shining brightly. To her surprise, the moon came closer and closer until it was right outside her window. The moon told Emily stories about stars, planets, and space adventures. Emily listened in awe as the moon glowed softly. When it was time for the moon to go, it promised to visit again. Emily fell asleep dreaming of space. The next night, she looked forward to seeing the moon, knowing it was always watching over her. The happy snowball. It was a snowy day, and Ben couldn't wait to play outside. He built a big snowball and started rolling it around the yard. The more he rolled, the bigger it got. Soon, the snowball was as tall as him. Ben was so proud of his giant snowball that he called his friends to see it. They all played around the snowball, making snowmen and having snowball fights. Ben's simple snowball brought everyone together for a fun day in the snow. He learned that the simplest things can bring the most joy.